Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Robilyn Cerezo, 24 years old, married. My husband's name is John Ashley Sacolles, 29 years old. My father's name is Ruben Cerezo and my mother's name is Elizabeth Cerezo. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the youngest in the family. I am Catholic. I live in Binmali, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are taking care of children, cooking foods, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, washing dishes, and also gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibility and also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.